How is passer rating calculated in NFL games? Have you ever wondered how we measure a quarterback's success in the National Football League? One of the key metrics used is the passer rating. This rating helps fans and analysts evaluate how effectively a quarterback performs during games. Let's break down how this important statistic is calculated. Passer rating combines four main components: completion percentage, yards per attempt, touchdown percentage, and interception percentage. Each of these factors plays a role in determining a quarterback's overall efficiency. The final rating ranges from 0 to 158.3, with 158.3 being a perfect score. To calculate the passer rating, we start by determining for intermediate values, labeled as a B, C, and D first. We calculate value by taking the number of completions, dividing it by the number of attempts, subtracting 0.3, and then multiplying by 5. Next, we find value B by dividing the total passing yards by the number of attempts, subtracting 3, and then multiplying by 0.25. For value C, we take the number of touchdown passes, divide it by the number of attempts, and multiply by 20. Finally, value D is calculated by taking 2.375 and subtracting the number of interceptions divided by attempts multiplied by 25. After calculating these values, we need to adjust them. If any of the values exceed 2.375, we set them to 2.375. Conversely, if any value is less than 0, we adjust it to 0. Now we can combine these adjusted values into the final passer rating formula. We add values of B, C, and D together, divide the sum by 6, and then multiply by 100. This final score gives us a clear picture of a quarterback's passing efficiency. The passer rating is a useful tool for comparing quarterbacks across different teams and offensive systems. It focuses on efficiency rather than just raw statistics, allowing for a more accurate assessment of a quarterback's performance. However, it does not take into account situational factors like game context or the strength of the opposing defense, which are considered in other metrics. So, the next time you hear about passer rating, you'll know it's a calculation that reflects how well a quarterback performs by looking at key passing metrics. Understanding this statistic can help you appreciate the nuances of the passing game in the National Football League.